In this video, I'll be going over my November statistics for Etsy, and I'm so excited because I think this is my best month so far on Etsy. I started Etsy earlier in 2023, and I honestly haven't devoted a lot of time to my Etsy shop simply because I have a lot of things on my plate and other businesses that I'm working on, but I really do want to at some point start investing more time into Etsy and uploading more listings. So I currently have 5 active listings on Etsy. I try to make sure they're always active, but sometimes I forget and they're not. But I should have 5 right now that are active. I just checked it before I started this video. They are all digital downloads, so I don't actually have to ship anything. Whenever somebody buys one of my products, they automatically can download it. So it's sort of passive income, honestly, at this point. I really just check in to make sure my listings are active and then to do these income report videos. So for my visits, I had 42 total visits. There we go. For November 1st through 30th in 2023. I had, I believe, 7 days where I did not have a visitor, but I feel like that's pretty good, at least for my shop. I don't run any ads currently or anything like that, and I haven't uploaded a new listing in at least a few months. So I'm very happy with this. It's pretty much passive income at this point for me since I've already done the work for these. So moving down to my orders, I had 4 orders for the month, and I think this is the most amount of orders I've had in a month. So I'm very, very excited and happy about this. I had an order. I had like 3 of them almost in a row. I think on the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. So I think it's the 11th and then 14th and 16th or something like that. And then I think on the 27th, I also had an order. And I'm so happy about this. Any sort of extra income adds up, and I'm very, very thankful about it. I probably haven't put more than 10 hours or so into my Etsy shop in total. So just to have any sort of money coming in from it, I'm happy about that. And I do consider myself a beginner still when it comes to Etsy, just because I haven't really had a lot of time to do a lot of research or education. And I currently have 5 listings up, so I feel like that's not a lot of practice. But I do really want to start adding more, especially because if I can start making $10 extra a month, that adds up. That would be $120 a year. And if I only have 5 listings, if I can double, triple, quadruple, etc., then I can definitely grow my income here. So I also haven't been paying for the actual postings because I got a bunch of free postings. I think because I signed up with another YouTuber's link, and then I don't know, I feel like I got some extra listings for some reason. I'm not really sure. So for me to post them and renew them, it's been free so far. My only cost has been if I make a sale, then I get some fees taken out, but that's okay. So my conversion rate was 9.5%. This one day here, I had 100% conversion rate, so I think that really helped get that number up a lot higher, which is pretty cool. And then 50%, 25%, and then this one I think was 33.33% or something like that. But overall, I'm still happy with that. And then down to my revenue, all of my listings right now that I have on my shop that are active are all the same price. So they're priced at, I believe, $2.99. And then I do get some fees taken out just because of the Etsy fees and whatever else there is. So I'm not entirely sure exactly what I get from each digital download. I think it's about $2 that actually goes into my account. But either way, like I said, I'm happy to have any sort of extra income, $5, $10 here and there. All of that adds up. That can pay for something and help in some way. So since I'm not really doing ads, I'm not really devoting much time at all to Etsy, I'm not going to complain about this revenue. I know this might not seem like a lot of money for a lot of people, or it might not seem like it matters that much, but all of the smaller amounts adds up, and it matters a lot to me. If you have 10 streams of income and they're all making $10, that's an extra $100 a month. I mean, that can definitely pay a bill or just a food grocery bill sometime, or gas, or maybe a present for somebody, or if you just want to treat yourself. Like, all of the money adds up. So I think sometimes that helps looking at it that way. And I really do want to start uploading more on my Etsy shop, but I have so many different business ideas and things that I'm trying to do. It's hard to find time to do everything while I do currently work a 40-hour work week. So that on top of my sports, personal relationships, trying to spend time with my husband and also do my own things and then work and everything. It's hard to find time for all the different businesses. So right now Etsy has sort of just been passive income, which I'm not going to complain about. I'm happy about, and I'd love to know how your Etsy shop is going, and if you do digital downloads as well, your experiences, or if you have any questions, I can do my best to answer them. So I greatly appreciate you watching and listening to this video. I really hope that it was helpful in some way. So thank you again, and I hope that you have a great day.